Welcome back to Death Row Waterfowl Cove. We're on Reelfoot. Got a first pintail for the first duck of the morning. Got Austin over here. It's wet and rainy. Duck out front.
Is that a cripple out there?
No.
By the coot?
That was probably all coots out there flying.
Let's see right in front of it. There's something coming. Kill him.
No, I was tucked in.
Down low. Kill him, y'all. There you go.
Nice, boys.
Whichever one of y'all want to go. We'll shoot him in the boat.
He dead. Yeah. Two out front. Divers. Hang on, hang on. Let him drop, then let's circle one more time.
Pull him over the back.
Y'all kill it?
No.
Kidding me?
No duck? How many was it?
Two.
Good shot on that flag. Ain't that one that's out there that's got his head up? Well, I hate them.
Yep.
Got it played over. Easy.
Kill him, straight up.
That one's going down. Crip coming down.
Watch.
He's going down for sure.
My hand.
Yep, get ready, get ready. Yep. They're swinging.
Cam's back.
Yeah, they're going to probably swing.
You coming back around?
Hang on. Yeah, they're right off to the right over here. Bunch of cans.
shot the one.
Yeah.
I didn't even see the one.
Well, I seen him.
He was low.
Back behind us.
I'll kill him right there.
Where they at? Oh, crushed that one. Crushed that one.
Bring neck. Yep. Man, y'all made me put down my burrito. How dare y'all?
I can't pick him up.
They're right in front of us. I'm pulling them left. Yeah, in front. Too far out.
Kill that one. Yep.
Do what?
Swinging, they're swinging.
Y'all kill him right there.
Got one out of that.
Yeah, it was out there.
Yep, one's on the water. Hey, we need to go get that one. He's trying to get up.
I'm trying to get him turned up.
Got your gun on safe?
Yes, sir.
We got two out front. That was, I think it was those teal. Is he moving?
Yeah, he's flying across the water. He was behind him.
Oh, no shit.
Hey, watch out. Left to right. Left to right. Coming in low.
Kill him. Got that one. Watch him. That was a great duck, I think.
Whoever's out there, that was good, man. You guys tore him up. Yep, he's gone.
Oh yeah. I can't see.
Get that one.
There he is. Kill that one. Oh, yeah.
There's that one enough. Off the left.
That'd be a poke. Swing to the right.
Now kill him.
He dead now.
Y'all kill the whole herd?
There he is.
I know we got two for sure. Did the two that split right, did y'all get the other one? Oh yeah.
Y'all kill them.
How'd we miss him?
Were they a little further out than we thought?
Oh, he's right over the edge of the
damn.
decoy.
Bunch of bluebills.
I let him. I let him.
Y'all kill him right there.
Got him. Nice.
Trying to kill that finger.
Big green head.
Yeah.
Looked like he got crippled on that second shot.
Yeah, you crippled him.
Crippled him, and then somebody.
And one of us finished him up.